So I'm basically going to change the battery on this tablet, and what happened is it starts to not charge anymore. I mean, it's as I was watching, even plugged in, it was the discharging and stuff, um, and it got to a point where it would not even charge at all. And to be honest, just off the bat, what I want to tell you is that you might not need to change the battery. You might just need to get like another cable. So that's all you might need. So the first thing you should do, go out and buy a cable. And if that's not the case, then you can change the battery. But mine, I think that was the problem, because after I changed the battery, it still was doing the same thing that the old one was doing. So now it makes me think that the old one might have been good, and I just had a problem with the cable. I went out, bought another cable, and then the battery was fine. So instead of spending money on battery, just buy another cable and do that first. I think that's the first step you should do. So anyway, the point is that this new battery that I bought, for one, it came like completely empty, and that's not a good thing. But it has warranty, so and now it's still. I'm not so happy with it. Like this morning, you went from 30% all the way down to zero in like 2 seconds. So I will put the old battery back in to see. In matter of fact, that maybe this battery is fine and maybe even better than the new one. So I'm gonna have to take this off and send it to get replaced or whatever, since I have warranty anyway. So anyway, the way you do it, you need this tool right here. It's just a simple tool, and this will work. I have another one, but that doesn't work really. This piece of crap, this doesn't work. All right, so forget about it. Anyway, now the first thing, take your card off. You should take your card off. Make sure the card is not in there. And the way it works is you just have to stick this and drag it around the edge until the case basically comes off. So it works like this. Oh, right. It's not the easiest thing to do, I have to be honest with you. The thing is, to have some leverage, you have to push on the other side here, and this makes the thing go back. So it's not the best thing, but it's basically how it works. It has some glue in there, you know. So there we go. Finally. So once it comes off, it's not a big deal. It'll be stuck in there. There we go. There is this glue here. That's what sticks. That's why it sticks so bad, because there's glue on the edge there. Let's see here what we're doing. You have these little covers protecting, basically cover here and here. You take this off. Stick it in there. Same thing with this little tiny one. And that's why I suggest to have like a plastic tool, not a metal one. I see some people doing with the metal, but I will not do it with a metal tool. Anyway, and then what do, you lift here a bit to unlock the stuff, and here. And then we'll pull this off, very simple. And we can pull this off. This one can be a bit more pain, yes. There we go. So now that's done. Now the thing is, this part here is made to unglue And you see this is bullshit because it's stuck to it on this battery. In the original one, you can see it has a sticker. This was already unglued, and you can pull it and then pull the battery off. So now, let me see. Okay, so it came up really easy. But if it doesn't, you need to peel this off because this has supposed to have some reinforcement. On this one, it does. You can see it has like a type of a mesh in there, and it's stronger, so you can unstick it and pull on it to pull the battery off. Anyway, this supposedly it's original, but I bet you it's not. I think this is some kind of friggin' copy. And this also, it's a protective, probably shield for the heat. And I did took it off the original battery. Now maybe I take it off from this one. If I can, I don't know. See, you just peel it off. And this one, it doesn't have the shield, it just has like a plastic thing. So I'm gonna stick it back in here. It's probably this protects, it sits here, and it probably protects from the heat from the battery to go to your screen or whatever. So it goes like this, you know, this part down. So it's pretty easy. Now we're gonna set the battery back in here. And maybe I didn't mention, but this is for the Samsung T560 tablet. And most of them are pretty much the same. Now this is also tedious a little bit. I have to actually lift the... Okay. Alright, it's in there. Now we just push this down. Should be fine. Same thing here. Stick this in here. There we go. Push that down. And now we're all set. We need to take this plastic thing and put it back. There we go. And the little one, I don't know what it is. I think it might be here. Oh, I found it. So this should go here. It's the same, it's a type of a isolating shield, you know, tape. Before I put the case back, I'm going to plug it in to see if it works. It's at 15%, so I'm going to come back to you and leave it like this and see what's up. All right, so we're back. You can see that this power bank depleted and this charged to 57%. It will charge more, but I just don't have the patience to wait so long. So it seems fine. This Samsung, I think it's at least like 5 years old, and I don't think they even make it anymore. This is the T560. So I'm gonna unplug it. 58 already, see? So it's still charging. We're gonna do this. And I'm gonna put the cap on it. There's no point to keep the cap off. Make sure you do it the right way. You have the camera on this side, so the camera is also here. And then you stick this on top. The device is still off, actually. So it'll be fine. Then we just have to push everything. Okay, let's see. You go around the edge and then you're just gonna push it back. All right, so everything works, you know, the sound works. Without the cap in the back, your sound is not gonna work because the speaker is in this case. Like I said, before you do anything, replace your cable, but buy a good one. This one actually was from one of the stores that have everything, and it says a data cable, like a video audio cable. So I bought that, and it was cheap, like maybe €3 or something, and it works perfect, and it charges my stuff, and you can see it's fine. So the original battery, it might be even better than this. This is actually not good. I have to change it, send it back, and then tell them that it's not good. Maybe if they send me another one, because it has warranty for 1 year. But it was a waste of freaking money and time. So learn from my mistakes. Thanks for watching. I hope it's gonna help you.